All right, YouTube family. So I'm out here with my son, my oldest son, Matthias. He's 11 years old, and we're testing out this new M1 Caliber that they sent me to test out. This thing is amazing. When I tell you guys, it takes our cut times down. It chops it in half, literally chops it in half. And it's so easy that my 11-year-old son is able to use it. So I definitely recommend this for any woodworkers, any carpenters, anybody, even DIYers. Like if you just building stuff and you know you got a lot of consistent cutting, like it's really easy to use. So we're building some exterior benches using exterior wood and Trex wood. I don't know if you can see it. He's about to cut this Trex, and we got to cut the inside. All of these cuts have to be 7.5 exactly. And look at this. He's able to line this up all by himself effortlessly without having to know fractions or not having to read a tape measure or anything like that. It's extremely easy to use, so I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna let you guys see it in action real quick. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's measure it. Let's see where we at. Seven and a half. That's beautiful. So yeah, guys, it definitely eliminates the need for a tape measure. Never had another tool like this, another tool that makes life simpler, much more convenient. So I definitely recommend you guys buy. I'm gonna post a link in the description below. And I actually used it on this accent wall that I'm gonna feature in the video as well, so that you guys can see how that came out. It was, again, something that had a lot of consistent cuts, and it really turned out well. So, all right, guys, appreciate you checking in with your favorite home improvement homeboy, and I got to get back to work. Pick up your feet, kids.
What is it? What thing here?
So we want to do 3 inches. Boom. Have a 3-inch cut every time. Let me stop going.